Are you curious about the latest cryptocurrency craze? Well, forget about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because there's a new coin in town that's taking the internet by storm. Pepe Meme Coin. Yes, you heard that right. The beloved meme frog has now made its way into the world of crypto. The narrative of how Pepe Meme Coin went from being a popular online meme to becoming a cryptocurrency worth $1 billion is unlike any other in the world of cryptocurrencies. So buckle up and join me as we explore the rise of the Pepe Meme Coin and its unexpected journey to the top of the crypto charts. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Without further delay, let's just dive into the first project on our list. What is a Pepe Meme Coin? Pepe the Frog meme created a digital currency called the Pepe Meme Coin. Pepe is a well-known character in meme culture and other online cultures. Pepe Meme Coin is a community-driven project whose goal is to make a decentralized currency that can be used to buy things, give money to content makers, and more. Pepe Meme Coin is a coin launched in 2017 and run by the community. After a viral internet meme, the project aimed to make a decentralized currency called Pepe the Frog. Pepe Meme Coin was created by a group of hardworking people, including developers, marketers, and community managers. The coin was first listed on a few smaller exchanges, which helped raise its reputation and bring in more backers. Demand for the cash grew a little when it was listed on powerful platforms like Binance and Coinbase. Pepe Meme Coin attracted more investors and dealers because these extensive exchanges made the market more liquid. How does this meme coin work? The method that makes Pepe Meme Coin work is the blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger. This tool is based on smart contracts made with the ethereal blockchain. Intelligent contracts are computer programs that run independently and can be used to make things run more smoothly. People with Pepe Meme Coin in their wallets can be rewarded through intelligent contracts. The more Pepe Meme Coins a user has, the more rewards they will get. Pepe Meme Coin was only worth a few cents, but its value has increased a lot since then. But as time passed and more people joined, things started to change. Because a committed group of people was working on the project, there was a lot of buzz and interest in the coin. This brought in more buyers, which drove up the price. Current Pepe Meme Coin Rise. This meme coin was one of the most expensive meme coins, with a market cap of over $1 billion when this movie was made. There have been significant changes in prices, both up and down. Pepe Meme Coin Rise all over the news. There are many different reasons why Pepe Meme Coin has been so successful. A significant factor is how well its people get along with each other. The people who work on this meme coin are very dedicated and want to make it the best it can be. Because of this, people are more interested in the coin, and the group around it is more substantial. The growth of meme coin has also been helped by the fact that it is unique. A few things about this coin make it different from other joke coins. One way it does this is by giving people extra coins if they keep them in their wallets. This encourages long-term investments and helps keep the market stable for the coin. Lastly, this meme coin's price has increased because more people are interested in cryptocurrencies. Buyers are looking for new ways to make money as the cryptocurrency market grows. This meme coin is known as one of the most potential meme coins, which is why investors and traders are interested in it. Tokenomics. This coin has a total supply of 420 trillion tokens, which are distributed through airdrops, farming, staking, and burning mechanisms. This coin has a market cap of over $1 billion and is traded on several exchanges, such as Huobi, Bitgert, and OKX. This coin uses a deflationary tokenomics model, which means that every transaction burns a percentage of the tokens, reducing the circulating supply and increasing the scarcity. The Pepe coin also rewards its holders with passive income, as they receive a portion of the transaction fees as dividends. This coin is more than just a meme coin. It is also a community of meme lovers and creators who support each other and promote the Pepe culture. Drawbacks and risks. Purchasing this meme coin has witnessed a surge in popularity over the past several years, despite the fact that doing so continues to be fraught with various challenges and threats. The potential for extreme volatility is among the most serious risks that could be taken. Due to the rapid fluctuations in price, investors in Pepe Meme Coin run the risk of losing a significant amount of their capital. Because the laws pertaining to Bitcoin are not entirely clear, it is possible that governments will enact new regulations that will be detrimental to the Bitcoin industry. The fact that this meme coin is susceptible to being stolen is yet another issue with it. Bitcoin is not an exception to the rule that people explore new methods to generate money from existing products and services. They do this all the time. There have been multiple instances of fraudulent this meme coin scheme, which have caused investors to lose money. If you want to avoid getting taken in by a Ponzi scheme, you need to make sure that you only invest in initiatives that are well-known and legitimate. In conclusion, Pepe Meme Coin is a unique coin whose users have overgrown over the past few years. It has become more famous because it has a lot of users and can do new things. Still, this meme coin buyers face risks such as price fluctuations, unclear rules, and the chance of being scammed. Always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. In the always changing cryptocurrency market, it will be interesting to see how Pepe joke coins and other joke coins do. So here was all of it. Let's just wrap up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and return for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.